together with us, of course, the young business magnates themselves, the co-founders themselves, Mr. Jonathan So and Carl Macalenga.
Ask ko lang po, ano po yung relationship between the franchisees and the company?
When it comes to relationship, yung franchisees natin, business partner natin to. We make sure, sabi nga ni ma'am kanina, and as fast as we can, we try to deliver our promise. Yung relationship namin sa kanila, I would say, is endless. Yung commitment namin sa kanila, endless. Hanggang sa mag-succeed sila. That's why na-mention din ni partner, yung innovation tuloy-tuloy. Because yun ang kailangan ng partner eh. Yun ang kailangan ng franchisees. Yung business kasi tuloy-tuloy ang competition. Kami ni partner Carl, yun ang commitment namin sa kanila. Yun ang relationship namin sa kanila. Na dapat tuloy-tuloy maging competitive yung franchise na kinuha nila and ma-deliver namin yung promise namin sa kanila day in, day out.
I would just like to ask po, what makes HOF brands, stand out from others? For example, in particular, yung Tok Tok po.
In terms of tingin ko bakit din talaga unique yung ating concept, no? Kumbaga sa isang family, when you eat, you share the food equally to everybody. Na ma-feed mo yung bawat isang tao ng tama at hindi kulang. Kapag ka mas maraming tao kumikita kasabay natin, mas mabilis din talaga lalaki yung negosyo mo.
Since sinabi niyo po is, ang concept niyo po is based na kung ano po yung uso, like that, for the house of napapanahon. Like. So, ngayon po, may plans po ba kayo magdagdag ng brands for the house of franchise or products?
Definitely yes. Kasi definitely. And to add up, in addition to that, yung napapanahon minsan fad lang yan. Do you agree?
Yes.
When you ask your friends, family members, kung kumakain sila ng siomay, we try to build businesses na napapanahon at napapamana. Take note, kasi kahit wala na kami dito, may kakain ng siomay, yes or yes? May kakain ng manok, yes. Napapanahon at napapamana. Diba? Kasi kahit wala na tayo, may siomay pa rin. May siomay king pa rin.